Welcome back to another tutorial for Horizon Forbidden West. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game difficulty level within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. Now, when you first start your game on Horizon Forbidden West, you will be asked to choose your preferred difficulty level. Once you have made your choice, the game will proceed forward with your chosen level of difficulty. But if you wish to change this in the future, then just pause your game by pressing the start button. From here, go into settings. And now, within the General tab, you will find the difficulty option. You can switch between story, easy, the normal mode, as well as hard and very hard. If you don't want to bother with the combat difficulties, then you can choose the story mode, which will provide you a much easier experience, where enemies can be dealt with easily, and you can proceed forward with your story in a smooth fashion. You can also choose the easy option, which will increase the challenge in combat a little bit, but you will still be able to breeze through the story without much challenge. Next is the normal mode, which is recommended for most players. Then you have the hard and very hard mode. Just make your choice and either increase or decrease your difficulty level based on your desire. And then you can just press the back button to save your changes. After this, you may continue to play your game with your chosen difficulty setting. If you wish to change this once again in the future, you can follow the same steps. Pause the game, go into settings, and then you may once again change your difficulty level right within your match or even within combat. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game difficulty on the Horizon Forbidden West game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.